Hey, it's Jim Paar here, and I'm going to show you how to put a new Hero Rotator into your CDK website, whether you're a GMC, Chevy dealer, whatever dealership you are. That's all similar, and we're going to show you how right now. So here we are in the dealer command center, and once you log in, you go to your dealer command center and click on website and click go. Once you get in there, you're going to go to your edit website, and once you're in there, you're going to look for Hero Rotator on the right side here. So you've got your Hero Rotator, and you're going to add a new card. So they call these cards. So we click add, and it's typically going to be promo or promotion. So we scroll down to the P's. There we go. Hit the plus sign and hit promotions. So the card initially is just going to say promotions. So if you click on properties, you can get in there and name this. So we're going to name it supplier pricing, being we're doing a promo for that. So you can leave this title. I usually select none if I'm doing a rotator like this one on the left. We really don't need a disclaimer in there. I'm going to leave it promotion media and media category. Just leave it none for now. And hit done. That kind of saves that. So as you can see, this turned into supplier pricing. I know I'm going to want this card on the top, so I'm going to drag it right up to the top here and put it in the #1 spot. Obviously it's not live yet, so we're going to go to add the actual price or the image. So you're going to click on content right here. So we're in content, and right up here you hit add, unless you had the image already in there for some reason. You know, here's some images that we've added in the past, but so we're going to click on add. And we're going to name this. So we're going to name it Chevrolet Supplier Pricing, just because that's what it is this month. So you can copy that title. You really don't need a subtitle or anything like that. This is important if you're running the campaign to a certain date. Which we are. This is just through the end of the month, so you want to put in that date stamp, time stamp. I'm just copy and pasting the, making it a little bit easier from right above here, so I don't have to type it in, and then just changing the actual end date. Tags, we really don't need any tags in here. Once you've done this, you just want to hit save and continue. So that basically saves what you had just done. And then we're going to go down to primary images. We're not going to have any hyperlinks. We're just going to keep this basic. But if you wanted to link it, you could add a hyperlink on that slider, and say it was Chevy Silverado specials, you could link it to that page. So we're just going to go to primary images. We're going to choose our file from our artwork that we created, and once we get there, we're going to go ahead and add that image in there. And I've got the image right here, so we're just going to open that. And it's going to open a screen here. You've got different ratios. So right now it's set at 21:9, which is going to be a good size. We're going to call this Chevy. We're just going to name it to help out the search engines a little and add in one of the primary cities. Chevy Birmingham supplier pricing, if I can type here today. So we've got the alt text, which helps your SEO. And I'll do a class on CDK SEO if you want. Just make a comment in the comment section below, and I'll teach you how to do all your own SEO on your dealership website. So here we're just adding, again, the timestamp. Very important. So everything else is going to stay the same. So again, we're going to go up and save and continue and wait till this little, there it is, the thumbnail pops up. So we know this slide is worked, and I always like to publish my changes right away because I've done everything else. So you click publish changes and say yes, publish. So that just takes a couple of seconds, and now you're going to see that the first slide is our supplier pricing. So one last step, you're going to go up here and click on the little gear and publish website, and then say yes, publish the content. And I always like to hit publish settings too, just in case there was any settings in there. But that's all there is to it. So if we were to go to the live site now, that should be live on the website. Let's just check it out here. So here's the live site, and that first slide is right there, supplier pricing. So if it was hyperlinked, you could click on the actual slide and it would take you into that slide. But that's all there is to it. Subscribe to my channel below here, and we do a lot of dealership videos, tutorials, strategies, and thanks for joining.